How to find an expert on LinkedIn to work with you or for you. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you to find an expert on LinkedIn to work with you or for you easy and quickly. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn and then we click here down below on post, and now we go to find an expert. Now you select category you want, like design, and select design type like 3D design, and the location, and write a description like I am looking for recommendation for professionals who can help me with 3D design, and then click next and post it from here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about LinkedIn.